Hi, my name is Lene Huggins, and I'm pursuing an associate degree in hospitality management right here at the Trinidad and Tobago's Hospitality and Tourism Institute. Happy New Year, and welcome to the 5th episode of TTHTI Presents New Adventures in Hospitality Excellence. Did you know that TTHTI provides both local and foreign-based students with an amazing range of facilities right here on campus, including an extensive culinary library? These amenities are available for us to enjoy in the scenic Chagaramas where nature abounds. Let's take you on a quick tour now.
Hello, welcome to TTHTI. My name is Jessica King and I am from Simonson and the Grenadines. I'm currently doing hospitality management here at the school, and today we're going to take a tour of some of the facilities that the school offers students. Okay, here we are. Welcome to my dorms. I just need to point a secret password. Come on in. Alright, so here we have our kitchen. It's a shared facility for all girls on dorms. It's an all-girls dorm. We have 2 fridges because there's quite a lot of us here. We have a microwave, stove and oven, and a deep freeze. Okay, we also have some food cupboards along the walls here. Each student have their own individual food cupboard that they store all their food items in, and there's a lock and key so no others can get in. Okay, so here we are at my room. Let's go in. I hope it's clean. Okay, welcome to my room. As you see, it's all cleaned. It's a double room, so it has 2 beds, has 1 big desk, and a cupboard for all our clothes. Let's go. So these are the facilities available at TTHTI. There are many more amenities we can talk about, but I hope you enjoy my little tour. Bye!
At TTHTI, we have a well-stocked library that provides additional reading material for every area of study that's offered at this institute. We even have reading material for personal development and for entertainment. Shh, no, it's a library. We have a morning cafeteria that provides the students with quality breakfast and lunch. And it's good because it's made by chefs that are trained by this very institute. So, We also offer a wide variety of snacks, drink, and fruit, all for the benefits of the students. Additional amenities that the institute offers for the students' convenience are a shuttle bus service, free Wi-Fi, washers and dryers, and phone cards are on sale to make those all important and necessary phone calls.
Apart from what our students Jessica and Kate would have told you, TTHTI also offers 24-hour security. In addition, our close proximity to the Coast Guard base, the Army base, and the fire station is considered ideal. We are located along a picturesque coastline. Apart from our very own Hilltop restaurant located right here on campus, students may cycle or even walk to other restaurants, local attractions, shopping malls, banking institutions, groceries, amusement parks, and other local attractions. So you see, TTHTI has it all just for you.
Cocktails are a big part of our food and beverage training, as we know how popular they are with both customers and tourists alike. Fun fact, TNT's very own Miss Shana Rajaram was named the Caribbean's Bartender of the Year 2018 and delivered some best cocktails at the competition in Miami. Let's see what Lesle-Ann and Aeillia stir up as they take us through some cocktail recipes you can try out for yourselves.
Hello, good day. My name is Aeillia Romain. I'm going to layer a drink called the Shooters. Our ingredients that we're going to use are watermelon syrup, our cocoa liqueur, Irish cream, and a combination of vodka and Blue Curacao. So our first step, we are going to take our melon syrup and we're going to pour it in our liqueur glass. Our next step, we're going to take our demi-tasse and place it at an angle in our liqueur glass. And then we're going to take our cocoa liqueur and pour it slowly and consistently into the glass. And now we're going to use the same method using the Baileys. And finally, we're going to combine our Absolute Vodka and Blue Curacao for our fourth layer. There you have it, my Candyland shooter. Hello, my name is Lesle-Ann and today I'll be making for you a stout cocktail. You would need some caramel syrup as well as salt, Frangelico liqueur, Irish liqueur, some cinnamon sticks, chocolate chips, and chilled whipped cream as well as stout. So the first thing you would need to do is to add 1 ounce of your caramel syrup into your mixing glass, as well as a 1/4 bar spoon of salt. And you're just gonna stir it up. So the next step, you're gonna add 1 ounce of your Frangelico liqueur, followed by 1 ounce of your Irish cream. So your next step is to get some freshly grated cinnamon into your mixture. So now you just want to give it a little dry stir in order to marry the flavors. Next, you're going to add some ice into your mixing glass and apply your mixing tin in order to create a Boston shaker. And give it a shake. And double strain the mixture into our Pilsner glass. You now want to top with your stout, pour it in the middle, and mix up your flavorant and your stout. We're now going to top it up with our whipped cream and garnish with the chocolate chips, as well as our cinnamon stick. And this is the end of our chocolate caramel stout cocktail.
I hope you've enjoyed this episode, and why not try out one of our cocktail recipes and post a picture in the comment section below. Who knows, the picture with the most likes after 1 week just may win something special. Join us on our next adventure and do make the most out of 2019. Bye!